So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit image brightness here on Vista Create. So the first thing you have to do is open up Vista Create and go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the Photos tab and press on the Photos icon. Now select whatever photo you're looking for. So if you wanted to, for example, I'll just type in New York City right here as a demonstration. I will then go down to this image right here of New York City. I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to edit the image brightness, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here, go to the top left and press on Edit Image, and then scroll down until you come across Advanced Settings, and where it says Brightness, if you were to slide this little circle right here all the way to the right, you actually make the brightness increase. If you were to slide it to the left, you make the photo darker, and you make the brightness decrease. So, fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to edit image brightness here in Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.